don't have a lot of other visibility once we leave the factory environment to actually know which lines are running, which lines are stopped. And now, particularly with the mobile app, I've got access to actually look anywhere, anytime, and see what's running, what's not. And it's not unusual that I'll sneak a look at the app at all times of the day, or when I'm travelling overseas as well, and shoot an SMS through to a supervisor to ask why a certain line's not running or what's going on. And that's visibility we didn't have before at all. So, and generally we've been expecting to invest a lot more money to try and get that visibility. So for us, that's almost as important as the condition monitoring as well.